Okay guys, so I messed around with the sensors some more, and I managed to get just able to isolate just one sensor, which is the one that you're looking at right now, the one on my ceiling, and we managed to get that one to work on its own without having the other two sensors involved, which are here and there. So in this one, we're going to eliminate both of those sensors, and we're just going to specifically use this one, and we're going to be well. Let's see how well the tracking is for 360 with the Oculus Touch controllers, and how far we can go before we're having issues. All right. Okay, so currently I am in the Oculus home page right now, and I have my touch right here. That's the only sensor that's working right now. It's the one directly on top of me. Now the problem we notice here is because the sensor is, it's not mounted, you know, properly 100%. So depending on where I move, we're gonna have a little bit of issues. But we'll see how, we're gonna push this a little bit and see how far we can go with this one sensor for 360 even room scale tracking. So what I did at the beginning is, well, actually I'll go over that later in a bit, but right now let's start moving around a little bit and see where we have tracking problems. Right now I'm moving my hand. Yeah, I know you guys cannot see this, but you have to go by what I said. My finger tracking, everything just fine. I can wave, it's no problem. Everything tracking is solid. My home page is right here, and usually it's facing that way, but because it's just one sensor, so everything's kind of thrown off a little bit, so it's facing right over here. So let's see, let's start moving. Hopefully I'm still in frame. I'm not. It's okay. So right now, where I'm standing right now, I have a little tracking issue with the controllers. The headset's fine, no problem. The headset. One of my hand, both my hands are kind of stuck, and this is because I'm walking out of that cone that's projecting downward. The cone that's coming down this way. I'm walking out of that cone area, but I'm probably. Let's see. Let's see where the tracking becomes a real issues here. Okay, so right about here. So maybe I'm about a little bit more than a feet, but maybe 1.2, 1.3 feet away from that wall over there before I lose tracking. So let's start moving this way and see how far we can go. Okay, so let's go ahead and move. Okay. Okay, we didn't get too far at all with this side. So right here, I'm gonna start having some tracking issues. Then it kind of clears back up again. But then as this corner, basically this direction is where I'm having issues. And I'm thinking it's because the lamp might block some of the tracking, the sensors way to pick up these controllers. Let's walk this direction and see how far we can go. Okay, pretty good right here actually. Okay, right here, my controller has stopped moving. So, yep, right there. So as I move back, tracking becomes okay again. Let's move this way. This way is fine, no problem. And I have a couch in front of me right now, so okay. So right here, I have issues, and I think I'm about a foot away from the wall before I start losing tracking with my controllers. And I'm gonna go this way toward the camera, so you guys gonna see me up close. Okay, right here. Actually, let me see, right about here. Yeah, right here. I lost tracking. So let's move back, and right here I'm okay. So overall, maybe the play area with this one. Let's see if we can go this way a little bit. Okay, right here. Yeah, the play area with just one sensors, tracking both the headset and the controllers is not as good. Especially for the controller. The headset overall, I don't have any issues. I can up pretty far, and that's because we have a ton of IR emitters basically on the headset, and so there's no problem there. But yeah, I would say the player is about probably 3 by 3 feet at the most with the Oculus controllers. And for 360 tracking, I won't probably not call this boom scale because I mean that's not that many steps that we can take. But you do have 360-degree tracking with the Oculus Touch by having one sensor directly on the ceiling. And I'm gonna transition you guys to the monitor, and we're gonna talk about how what I did to kind of get this to work. Okay, so basically you can see here I have only one sensor connected. Uh, Originally, when I started out, I have two sensors connected, so that way I can run the full setup here. And it tricks the software to think that we have two sensors connected. We're good. It basically saves us a lot of hassle. And once I done with the setup, I basically unplugged it and then just leave that one sensors only up in the ceiling. Now, originally I thought when I unplugged the the um, the one that's in the corner, the one on the ceiling is gonna turn our homepage. When you go in your headset, your homepage usually directly in front of you. I thought it's gonna basically go up in the ceiling, just because how it's oriented. But I was wrong. The homepage is it shifted a little bit to my left. So instead of directly in front, but shift it to my left a little bit, but it's still there. It's not upside down or flip or anything weird. So I was impressed with that. And overall tracking is okay. I mean, with one sensors, I'm not gonna expect much out of it. And like I said in the video, the most you're gonna get out of it is probably about 3 by 3, or even maybe slightly less than that. So, but this is just for fun. I'd like to experiment with things. And if you guys have any interesting way of setting up the sensors and you want me to try it out, leave it in the comment below, and I might make it for the next video. So other than that, have a good day, guys.